Hello Kentis friends, in this video we will discuss the 3 best 3D home design applications for Android devices. For those of you who want to design their dream home but don't have skills or experience in architectural design, these applications can be the best solution. In this video, we will show you some of the best app options and their features in helping you build your dream home visualization. Planner 5D. Planner 5D is the best home design and decoration application available in the market. This application allows users to create beautiful and realistic interior and exterior designs in both 2D and 3D modes. The application is very easy to use and provides an online and offline furniture catalog that can be used as desired. However, one of the drawbacks of this application is that it does not yet support the Indonesian language. The Planner 5D application is also very good at displaying the final results of the designs created. Users can save their design projects and share them with others via email or social media. The application also has an animation feature that allows users to view their projects in animated form. Floor Plan Creator. Floor Plan Creator is an application focused on creating floor plans. This application allows users to create interior room designs, add furniture, and various other detailed elements. There are many features provided by the Floor Plan Creator application, one of which is the provision of multi-story projects with rooms in any form. The Floor Plan Creator application is also equipped with dimension line features that allow users to show distance and size. The application can also automatically synchronize data with the cloud to back up various packages between devices. So users don't need to worry about losing data because this application has provided backup features. Room Planner. Room Planner is a free room design application designed for IKEA. This application allows users to quickly create three-dimensional room models on their smartphones, complete them, think about their design, and try everything in real time. The best way to draw floor plans and floor strategies is to use 2D to arrange the area first, then use 3D to review and modify the design. Users can also develop projects from scratch, add elements, or use templates provided by the Room Planner application. In addition, Room Planner has a feature for designing furniture, wall coverings, floors, and other items. Users can change various colors, textures, and materials as desired. Even by modifying the size of each element, users can achieve the perfect final balance. As we have seen, the 3 best 3D home design applications that we have discussed in this video have amazing features and are very user-friendly. Thank you for watching our video. We hope the information we have presented can help you find the best 3D home design solution for your Android device.